If you are down to your last $500, you have no income coming in right now. Here is what you need to do. There are 3 phases that we're going to go through. Phase 1, you have to stop the bleeding. This should be your first 7 days. You cannot outrun $3,000 a month with zero income. If your bills average about $3,000 a month and you only have $500 to your name, there are a few steps you must take now, today. No waiting. You have to get this done today. The first step in phase 1 is to slash or defer expenses immediately. You need breathing room. Here are some non-negotiable actions you need to take today. The first action: call your landlord or big lender and ask for a temporary rent reduction, payment plan, or a 30-day extension. Second action: call the utility company, the phone company, or the internet company and request a hardship deferral. Third action: pause or cancel all subscriptions, insurance upgrades, or any memberships you may have. Fourth action: if car payments exist, call the lender today and tell them that you need an extension. This isn't optional. Every dollar you defer buys you more time. Step 2 in phase 1, protect the $500. That $500 is not investment capital. It's a pathway for food, gas, phone, and internet, or any other unexpected expense. So do not gamble the $500. Phase 2, you must cash flow fast. This is the 0 to 60 days period. The goal is to earn $100 to $200 per day, not passively. This rule requires you to trade time for money immediately. And I know it goes against the rule of building wealth, but the wealth will come. As of right now, it's crunch time. Speed matters now in this situation. This is not a comfort zone. This is you getting back on your feet as quickly as possible. There are a few options to help you get started generating income, and I'm going to give you those options in a second. These are just options to bear in mind. You don't have to follow this exact strategy or choose these specific options. It is just to get you started, to give you ideas, but I want you to be your own person and do what works best for you. Option A is high urgency. This is the fastest way to get started. These require 0 credentials and minimum setup. You can pick one and go all in, or you can mix it up. Whatever works best for you and whatever time you have on your hands, do what works according to your time, your schedule, and your availability, and how you're able to service your clients with 100% effort. The first job in option 1 is junk removal or hauling. You can post your services on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or Nextdoor, but make sure to market it as same-day junk removal and that your services are cheap and fast. Then you're going to rent a truck only after getting paid the deposit first. Make sure you charge a deposit first and you receive the deposit before you go out and rent the truck. And with this, you're going to charge anywhere between $100 to $300 per job, or whatever you see fit for your services. So you have to look at what actually is being removed, and then you charge according to that. But the goal is to at least try to have a range of $100 to $300 per job. This system works because people will pay for problems they hate. Some people have so much junk sitting around and they don't know what to do with it. So that's where you come in and you offer your services and you offer to remove it. They're going to pay you to get rid of their problem. The second job in option 1 is to offer a cleaning service, such as move outs, Airbnbs, and offices. You can get cleaning supplies with less than $50, and you can charge anywhere from $100 to $250 per clean. The best people to target are landlords and Airbnb hosts. Why this works? Because some people simply do not have time on their hands to clean or to look for cleaning services that fit their budget. So this is where you come in. Sometimes you may have to compromise a little bit, or you may have to lower your price to get that client. The third job in option A is landscaping or yard cleanup. It's seasonal, but it can earn cash fast. Charge per job, not hourly. One good week can possibly bring you in $1,000 to $2,000. Option B consists of online freelancing if you have skills. If you can write, design, edit videos, manage social media, and do administration work, then this option will be perfect for you. And there are many sites that you can actually offer your services on, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour. The goal here is to undercut price, over deliver, and build momentum, because one good client can refer another good client. Option C is temporary employment. This is where you have to put your ego aside. You may have to apply for jobs like Amazon or warehouses, delivery jobs, or construction day labor. This is not failure, it's fuel, because this cash flow buys time, and time buys options. In phase 3, this is the transition to wealth. This is usually the 60 to 180 days. Once you're stable, then you build your wealth. Let's break down the fastest path to build wealth when starting from zero. These are high income skills and they're scalable, and anyone can do them. Number 1, sales. This can be remote or commission based, such as real estate wholesaling. It's where you are the man in the middle. You connect seller with buyer. I'm not going to get into detail with this because I want to keep this video as short as possible. Next is insurance. Selling life insurance is a great way to start generating wealth and get back on your feet. It's 2026. Everyone should have life insurance or be knowledgeable about it. And that's where you come in. You offer a plan that fits their budget and can offer the most high quality benefit. B2B software as a service. This is a great way to offer cloud-based software services if you have the skills and experience. I don't want to make it seem like it's easy to put yourself out there, because it's not. But when your back is against the wall and the pressure is building, you have to step out of your comfort zone. The second path. These are services that you can offer through your business and create systems. You can start your own cleaning company, pressure washing company, junk removal company, and lawn care company. These do not require much money to start, and you can start solo, or you can hire 1 to 2 employees, then build a system. Once you build that system, scale. The third path is offering digital skills, such as copywriting, paid ads, and automation. These take weeks, not years, to monetize. So you have to get into the flow of being consistent and persistent so that you can start seeing your cash flow immediately. Should not take long to do any of these services if you put full effort into it. Here's what not to do. No day trading, no crypto gambling, no drop shipping without cash, no buying courses promising overnight wealth, and no passive income fantasies. Those destroy people in your position. Here's the reality. Wealth is built in layers. The first layer is survival cash flow. The second layer is stability. The third layer is skill leverage. The fourth layer is scaling, and the fifth layer is investing. Right now, you are at level 1, and that's okay.